Good morning, friends. Good morning. Good morning. We have a wonderful couple here from Chicago. I'm so happy that Shaliji introduced us, and I'm very happy that they could come to our program. And they have a fabulous song selection for us to listen to. So thank you so much for joining this morning, Vishwas ji and Manjari ji. That's
Our
so nice of
pleasure.
you to join. Thank you for joining, and you've been really wonderful. Learned everything how to come on this special program, which is not easy. A lot of people have a lot of problem coming in, but thank God you learned it. And today we are exactly on time, so nobody can say कि आप देर हो गए या कुछ. Vishwas ji and Manjari ji were really on time, and we started on time, and we have no hitch with the problem with the Streamlabs right now. Everything's perfect, and we are live right now in. My timeline, which is my profile, and then my page, and also in YouTube. So these programs are there, and as Urva explained to you that you can always tell your followers and everything to join any of those mediums. They can join. So we have a very impressive introduction over here. I want to first talk about Vishwas ji. Vishwas Barve, actually, is that right? Is that the right way of saying it? Barve?
Correct. Correct.
Is a recently retired telecom professional, and he's married to dear Manjari. She's right here next to him, like a beautiful wife should be, together always. And they're married for 45 years. Wow, beautiful. And they have been the residents of Naperville, Illinois for the past 40 years. And they have two children and two grandkids. And Vishwasji has always been very interested in classical and lighter versions of Indian music. And he started singing karaoke 10 years ago. And he enjoys singing old Hindi, Marathi, and Hindi and Marathi and English. Wow, English songs. I'm really very excited to hear that one too. And he is a keen student of US and world events, politics, history, and follows the Chicago sports teams and the Indian cricket team with passion. And I'm sure the most important thing is your passion is the music, right?
Of course. I've said
Yeah.
that. That goes without saying. Yes.
Saying, because without passion, you really can't. And sometimes the music takes over your everything. Like you listen to music, you feel good. If you're depressed, you listen to music. If you're not a good day, you listen to music. Everything comes out good afterwards at the end of the day. And our Manjari ji Barve, I hope I said it right. Beautiful name, Manjari. I love that name. She's a retired telecom professional, and she's been fond of Indian classical music since her childhood. Wow. And her hobbies include listening to Indian classical music, playing the sitar, singing Marathi, Hindi, light and semi-classical songs, acting in plays and traveling. Wow, acting in plays. I'm really interested to know about that. And traveling. Wow, that's really amazing. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. आपके भाव इतनी अच्छी लिखी हुई आपने that it's so perfect and on the spot. So, Vishwasji, I'm going to ask you. You chose a very nice song for the beginning. The first song, I'm very impressed, and it's one of my favorites also. So you like to say something before we start the program, Barvi, Manjari ji, and Vishwas ji? कुछ कहना चाहते हो आप before we start to the audience or something?
But first of all, I want to say thank you to you and your team for setting us up and inviting us to join your program. And to the listeners, I hope you guys like our presentation and feel good after the event, and don't feel that you need to drop off after just a few minutes. So hopefully you will stay on through the end and enjoy, because we'll have some good songs later on as well. So please stay on, and looking forward to entertaining you.
Yes, we have my friend over here. Hi, Kamlesh ji. Actually, shout out to you. Today's your anniversary. I want to wish you a very, very happy anniversary, Kamlesh ji. And I think more people are going to join, because today they're surprised that I'm exactly on time, a little bit before the time actually. So they usually have 1 or 2 minutes up and down. So this song is it one of your favorites, or just that you sang this song many times? Yeah, कैसे लगा आपको ये वाला?
It is one of my favorite songs, and it like a slow, melodious type of song. That kind of songs I like.
Yeah, I love.
Don't sing too many of the uchalna kudna type songs. I tend to like these soft songs.
It's kind of soft, yeah.
My favorites.
So अभी इनका फर्स्ट सिलेक्शन है छू लेने दो नाजुक होठों को, and that is singer was Mohammed Rafi, and I believe the music director was Ravi, and the actors were Raj Kumar and Meena Kumari. Wow, what a beautiful combination! They were so good together. So, chalo, let's hear you, Vishwas ji.
Okay.
I'm gonna highlight you, and then we're gonna. Okay, there we go.
Right. छू लेने दो नाजुक होठों को, कुछ और नहीं है जान है ये। छू लेने दो नाजुक होठों को, कुछ और नहीं है जान है ये। कुदरत ने जो हमको बख्शा है, वो सबसे हसीन इनाम है ये। छू लेने दो नाजुक होठों को। शर्मा के यूं ही खो देना रंगीन जवानी की घड़ियां। शर्मा के यूं ही खो देना रंगीन जवानी की घड़ियां। बेताब धड़कते सीनों का अरमान भरा पैगाम है ये। छू लेने दो नाजुक होठों को, कुछ और नहीं है जान है ये। छू लेने दो नाजुक होठों को। अच्छों को बुरा साबित करना दुनिया की पुरानी आदत है। अच्छों को बुरा साबित करना दुनिया की पुरानी आदत है। इसमें को मुबारक चीज समझ माना के बहुत बदनाम है ये। छू लेने दो नाजुक होठों को, कुछ और नहीं है जान ये। कुदरत ने जो हमको बख्शा है, वो सबसे हसीन इनाम है ये। छू लेने दो नाजुक होठों को। You're muted.
That and I'm okay. Sorry. Is it okay? Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. I said that was a beautiful, beautiful, very nicely sung, and आपने बड़ा प्यार से गाया. It's a very beautiful song also, and आपने बहुत अच्छा गाया.
Thank you.
Extremely nice. And Manjari ji, let's welcome you. Would you like to say a few words to the audience?
Yeah, again, thank you for inviting us here, and hope you like our presentation today.
Oh, thank you. आपका song है सैया दिल में आना रे, मंजरी जी गा रही हैं. That's from the movie Bahar. original. I mean, the singer was Shamshed Begum, right? Shamshad Begum, and the actress was Vajanti Mala. Music director was S.T. Burman. So Manjari ji, let's hear you. Beautiful song, very nice. Another. Okay.
सैया दिल में आना रे, आके फिर ना जाना रे, हो आके फिर ना जाना रे। छम छमा छम छम राजा बन के आना रे, मोहे लेके जाना रे, हो मोहे लेके जाना रे। छम छमा छम छम। चांदनी रात होगी, तारों की बारात होगी, चांदनी रात होगी, तारों की बारात होगी, पहले पहले प्यार की पहली पहली बात होगी, पहले पहले प्यार की पहली पहली बात होगी। खुशी खुशी गाएंगे हम गीत सुहाना रे, सैया दिल में आना रे, आके फिर ना जाना रे, हो आके फिर ना जाना रे। छम छमा छम छम। थोड़ी थोड़ी छेड़ होगी, थोड़ा थोड़ा प्यार होगा, थोड़ी थोड़ी छेड़ होगी, थोड़ा थोड़ा प्यार होगा। कभी इकरार होगा, कभी इनकार होगा, कभी इकरार होगा, कभी इनकार होगा। तेरा मनाना मेरा रूठ जाना रे, सैया दिल में आना रे, आके फिर ना जाना रे, हो आके फिर ना जाना रे। छम छमा छम छम। तुम मेरे पास होगे, गम बड़ी दूर होगा, तुम मेरे पास होगे, गम बड़ी दूर होगा। कहता है जिया मेरा होगा जरूर होगा, कहता है जिया मेरा होगा जरूर होगा। लाना रे लाना तुम तशरीफ लाना रे, सैया दिल में आना रे, आके फिर ना जाना रे, हो आके फिर ना जाना रे। छम छमा छम छम राजा बन के आना रे, मोहे लेके जाना रे, हो मोहे लेके जाना रे। छम छमा छम छम।
Beautiful. Very, very nice. Very nice. And also, I like the way you sing very nicely, peppy. बड़ा अच्छा गाते हो आप, and very beautiful song too.
Thank
And
you.
I think I've seen that movie. These Prani movies, होती है ना, they are so enjoyable also. And I want to welcome Shali ji. She's right here. Shali ji, welcome. Kamlesh ji again. Welcome to both of you. And they're very, very nicely sung. And अभी इनका आएगा next गाना है. It's a duet. And it's from the movie हाल कैसा है जनाब का. That's the duet. And everybody knows this movie. It was Kishore Kumar and Madhubala. And the movie was Chalti Ka Naam Gaadi. So let's hear you guys. Come on. Okay.
हाल कैसा है जनाब का,
क्या ख्याल है आपका,
तो मचल गए हो
यूं ही फिसल गया
हाल कैसा है जनाब का
क्या ख्याल है आपका
तुम तो मचल गए हो
यूं ही फिसल गए उड़ाई उड़ाई बहकी चले है पवन जो उड़े है तेरा आंचल
छोड़ो छोड़ो देखो देखो गोरे गोरे काले काले बादल
बहकी बहकी चले है पवन जो उड़े है तेरा आंचल
छोड़ो छोड़ो देखो देखो गोरे गोरे काले काले बादल
कभी कुछ कहती है कभी कुछ कहती है जरा नजर को संभालना
हाँ हाल कैसा है जनाब का होए
क्या ख्याल है आपका
हाय तुम तो मचल गए हो
यूं ही फिसल गए आ पगली
हाँ
पगली
क्या
कभी तूने सोचा रास्ते में गए मिल क्यों
पगले
हाँ
पगले
हाँ
तेरी बातों बातों में धड़कता है दिल क्यों
पगली पगली कभी तूने सोचा रास्ते में गए मिल क्यों
पगले पगले तेरी बातों बातों में धड़कता है दिल क्यों
कभी कुछ कहती है कभी कुछ कहती है जरा नजर को संभालना
हाँ हाल कैसा है जनाब का हाय हाय
क्या ख्याल है आपका
तुम तो मचल गए हो
यूं ही फिसल गए उड़ाई उड़ाई उड़ाई
कहो जी रोज तेरे संग यूं ही दिल बहलाए क्या
सुनो जी समझ सको तो खुद समझो बताए क्या
कहो जी
हाँ
कहो जी
हाँ
रोज तेरे संग यूं ही दिल बहलाए क्या
सुनो जी
आहा
सुनो जी समझ सको तो खुद समझो बताए क्या
कभी कुछ कहती है कभी कुछ कहती है जरा नजर को संभालना
हाल कैसा है जनाब का
क्या ख्याल है आपका
तुम तो मचल गए हो
यूं ही फिसल गए हाँ हाल कैसा है जनाब का क्या ख्याल है आपका तुम तो मचल गए हो यूं ही फिसल गए हाँ हाल कैसा है जनाब का क्या ख्याल है आपका तुम तो मचल गए हो यूं ही फिसल गए हाँ
Very beautiful. So nice. Love it. I like the way Manjeet acting करती है ना. So nice. So nice. Very nice. And अब विश्वास जी next आ रहे हैं alone, and the song is called ये नैन डरे डरे from the movie Kora, and sung by Himmat Kumar, and the music director was also Himmat Kumar. Okay, actors Biswajit and Wahida Rahman. Yeah, I think I've seen this movie too, Kora. Very nice song. Beautiful. Okay.
ये नयन डरे डरे, ये जान भरे भरे, जरा पीने दो, कल की किसको खबर, एक रात होके निडर, मुझे जीने दो। रात हसीन ये चांद हसीन, तू सबसे हसीन मेरे दिलबर। रात हसीन ये चांद हसीन, तू सबसे हसीन मेरे दिलबर, और तुझसे हसीन, और तुझसे हसीन तेरा प्यार, तू जाने ना, ये नयन डरे डरे, ये जान भरे भरे, जरा पीने दो, ये नयन डरे डरे। प्यार में है जीवन की खुशी, देती है खुशी कई गम। प्यार में है जीवन की खुशी, देती है खुशी कई गम भी, मैं मान भी लूं, मैं मान भी लूं कभी हार, तू माने ना, ये नयन डरे डरे, ये जान भरे भरे, जरा पीने दो, कल की किसको खबर, एक रात होके निडर, मुझे जीने दो।
Wow. Amazing, amazing. Lovely song, lovely. And very, very nice. बहुत ही अच्छा. अब हम चलते हैं. Next is, oh my God, this is a lovely song. And I was dying to sing this. मैं कहा किस दिन मुझे चांस मिलेगा तो मैं ये वाला गाना गाऊंगी जो आप गा रही हैं मंजरी जी. I love this song. But
You can have your own singing thing session one day, and you can sing that.
Oh yeah, I think I should do my own program. सब गाने मैं खुद ही गाऊं. One day I should do that, right? What do you think? So I
Yeah,
should sing
you should. Why not?
do a special on me, Veena Ramba. I should also sing myself in my own program. पूरा एक घंटा खुद गाऊंगी. But I didn't get a chance. I love this song. So this is a very good movie also. Said Bibi or Gulam, and sung by Asha Bhonsle. And Bhamra Bada Nadan Hai. Okay, Manjari ji, let's hear you.
भंवरा बड़ा नादान है, बगियन का बगियन बगियन का मेहमान है, फिर भी जानी ना जानी ना जानी ना कलियन की मुस्कान है, भंवरा बड़ा नादान है, बगियन का मेहमान है, फिर भी जानी ना जानी ना जानी ना कलियन की मुस्कान है, भंवरा बड़ा नादान। कभी उड़ जाए कभी मंडलाए, भेद जिया के भूले ना, कभी उड़ जाए कभी मंडलाए, भेद जिया के खोले ना, सामने आए नैन मिलाए, मुख देखे कुछ बोले ना वो, मुख देखे कुछ बोले ना, भंवरा बड़ा नादान है। अखियों में रच के चले बच बच के, जैसे हो कोई बेगाना, अखियों में रच के चले बच बच के, जैसे हो कोई बेगाना, रहे संग दिल के मिले नहीं मिल के, बन के रहे वो अनजाना, बन के रहे वो अनजाना, भंवरा बड़ा नादान है। कोई जब रोके कोई जब टोके, गुनगुन करता भागे रे, कोई जब रोके कोई जब टोके, गुनगुन करता भागे रे, ना कुछ पूछे ना कुछ बूझे, कैसा अनाड़ी लागे रे वो, कैसा अनाड़ी लागे रे, भंवरा बड़ा नादान है, बगियन का मेहमान है, फिर भी जाने ना जाने ना जाने ना कलियन की मुस्कान है, भंवरा बड़ा नादान। थैंक यू।
Wow, wow. So nice. Beautiful song. Very, very nice. Very nice and jovial type. You know, like अच्छी तरह गाया हुआ इन द मूवी में भी बड़ा अच्छी तरह वहीदा रहमान ने बड़ा अच्छी एक्टिंग करके she
Yeah.
sang very nicely. Very, very beautiful song. And next is I'm really excited to hear this one because Vishwas is going to sing a very nice song from the music Sound of Music. I'm repeating myself anyway. The song is beautiful, and the singer was Bill Lee, sorry, and the music director was Richard Rogers, and the actor was Christopher Plummer. And let me ask you, how many of you have seen that movie, Sound of Music. I saw it many, many times with Julie Andrews and Christopher Plummer. Yeah, very nice. So I'm excited to hear that. So Vishwasji, let's hear it.
Okay.
Let's go for it.
Yeah, I thought for variety, since I sing English songs too, I thought we will try an English song as well in the mix.
My homeland forever.
Very, very nice. Beautiful. I love it. So nice. इतना अच्छा आपने गाया. I mean, amazing. And next time you gotta sing more English songs.
Sure.
अब आएंगी मंजरी जी गाना लेके. It's called तू मेरा चांद मैं तेरी चांदनी. Wow. अब मैंने भी गाया हुआ है ये. Suraya and Sham. Very, very 1949. Dil Lagi. You know, I sang this song a couple of years ago too. And I still remember the song. It's very nice. So let's hear you, Manjari ji. सुनते हैं आपको.
It's really a duet, but I'm
Sorry.
singing it alone.
Oh yeah, because आपने लिखा है Suraya and Sham. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, that is true. I remember. Yes.
Since this was our first time, we tried to cover many different singers today. So this is a song from Suraya ji.
Listen, loud.
तू मेरा चांद मैं तेरी चांदनी, मैं तेरा राग तू मेरी रागिनी. तू मेरा चांद मैं तेरी चांदनी, मैं तेरा राग तू मेरी रागिनी. हो नहीं दिल का लगाना कोई दिल लगी, कोई दिल लगी. नहीं दिल का लगाना कोई दिल लगी, कोई दिल लगी. साथ ही जीना साथ ही मरना उल्फत की है रीत, हाँ उल्फत की है रीत। साथ ही जीना साथ ही मरना उल्फत की है रीत, हाँ उल्फत की है रीत। प्यार की मुरली हरदम गाए तेरी लगन के गीत। प्यार की मुरली हरदम गाए तेरी लगन के गीत। मैं तेरा राग तू मेरी रागिनी, तू मेरा चांद मैं तेरी चांदनी। हो नहीं दिल का लगाना कोई दिल लगी, कोई दिल लगी। भूल न जाना रुत ये सुहानी, ये दिन और ये रात, हाँ ये दिन और ये रात। भूल न जाना रुत ये सुहानी, ये दिन और ये रात, हाँ ये दिन और ये रात। जब तक चमके चांद सितारे देखो छूटे ना साथ। जब तक चमके चांद सितारे देखो छूटे ना साथ। तू मेरा चांद मैं तेरी चांदनी, मैं तेरा राग तू मेरी रागिनी। हो नहीं दिल का लगाना कोई दिल लगी, कोई दिल लगी। थैंक यू।
Beautiful. Another lovely song. Lovely. बहुत ही देखो you made it. I think हमने I guess we didn't talk too many talking, but you already did so. I think आपने 6-7 गाने गा भी लिए, and then we still have plenty of time. So then in the end we have some time to talk. तो अब आपका है मेरे ख्याल में next 2 songs are duets हैं, right? है क्या ख्यालों में किसी के इस तरह आया नहीं करते. I don't know how I'm doing the justice, but the movie is Baware Nayan. A beautiful song, and Mukesh and Geeta.
बावरे नयन.
Bavare Nayan, yes. Not Baware, Bavare Nayan. Yeah, 1950. Wow. आपका सारे गाने उसी era के हैं ना? 60s and some 40s and 50s mostly, right? उसी के हैं mostly. 50s were very, very good. तो आपका गाना है duet है. Let's hear you. Music director is Roshan, Raj Kapoor and Vajanti Mala in this movie. Thank you. Okay.
ख्यालों में किसी के इस तरह आया नहीं करते, किसी को बेवफा के तड़पाया नहीं करते। ख्यालों में किसी के इस तरह आया नहीं करते, किसी को बेवफा के तड़पाया नहीं करते।
दिलों को रांद कर दिल अपना बहलाया नहीं करते, जो ठुकराए गए वो उनको ठुकराया नहीं करते। दिलों को रांद कर
हंसी फूलों की 2 दिन चांदनी फिर 4 दिन की है चांदनी 4 दिन की है हंसी फूलों की 2 दिन चांदनी फिर 4 दिन की है चांदनी 4 दिन की है मिली हो चांद सी सूरत तो इतराया नहीं करते किसी को बेवफा के तड़पाया नहीं करते ख्यालों में किसी के जिन्हें मिटना हो वो मिटने से डर जाया नहीं करते वो डर जाया नहीं करते जिन्हें मिटना हो वो मिटने से डर जाया नहीं करते वो डर जाया नहीं करते मोहब्बत करने वाले गम से घबराया नहीं करते किसी को बेवफा के तड़पाया नहीं करते ख्यालों में किसी के
मोहब्बत का सबक सीखो ये जाकर जलने वालों से ये जाकर जलने वालों से मोहब्बत का सबक सीखो ये जाकर जलने वालों से ये जाकर जलने वालों से कि दिल की बात भी लब तक कभी लाया नहीं करते जो ठुकराए गए हो उनको ठुकराया नहीं करते
ख्यालों में किसी के इस तरह आया नहीं करते किसी को बेवफा के तड़पाया नहीं करते ख्यालों में किसी के थैंक यू
Very, very nice. Beautiful, beautiful duet. I love it. It's such a nice song. Welcome, Upendra Gupta ji. Welcome. And also I see Ashok Goyal ji, Rekha ji, a lot of people here. Tanuja ji, Ashok ji, of course. And then I just said Shelly ji, Neelama ji, and a lot of other people are here. On the other side, we also have Kamlesh ji, Rama ji, and Usha ji over there. So we have a good following here. You can also forward this program afterwards because I'm going to send you the link. And also it will be coming here on the same site for a long time.
Okay.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you for all the people who have joined.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
They're giving all kind of compliments to you guys. So ab hai which is also another one of my favorite songs, which I've sang many times too, alone because I didn't have any partner. But it's a very nice song by Devanand and Usha Kiran. And the song is from the movie Patita. Yaad Kiya Dil Ne Kaha Ho Tum. Duet. So lovely, lovely song. Himmat Kumar and Lata Mangeshkar. Very nice.
we will get started.
I'm going to mute myself.
याद किया दिल ने कहाँ हो तुम, झूमती बहार है कहाँ हो तुम,
प्यार से पुकार लो जहाँ हो तुम, प्यार से पुकार लो जहाँ हो तुम,
याद किया दिल ने कहाँ हो तुम, झूमती बहार है कहाँ हो तुम,
प्यार से पुकार लो जहाँ हो तुम, प्यार से पुकार लो जहाँ हो तुम।
ओ खो रहे हो आज किस ख्याल में,
ओ दिल फंसा है बेकसी के जाल में,
ओ खो रहे हो आज किस ख्याल में,
ओ दिल फंसा है बेकसी के जाल में, मतलबी जहाँ मेहरबान हो तुम,
याद किया दिल ने कहाँ हो तुम,
प्यार से पुकार लो जहाँ हो तुम, प्यार से पुकार लो जहाँ हो तुम।
ओ रात ढल चुकी है सुबह हो गई,
ओ मैं तुम्हारी याद लेके खो गई,
ओ रात ढल चुकी है सुबह हो गई,
ओ मैं तुम्हारी याद लेके खो गई, अब तो मेरी दास्तां हो तुम,
याद किया दिल ने कहाँ हो तुम,
प्यार से पुकार लो जहाँ हो तुम, प्यार से पुकार लो जहाँ हो तुम।
ओ तुम हमारी जिंदगी के बाग हो,
ओ तुम हमारी राह के चराग हो,
ओ तुम हमारी जिंदगी के बाग हो,
ओ तुम हमारी राह के चराग हो, मेरे लिए आसमां हो तुम,
याद किया दिल ने कहाँ हो तुम,
प्यार से पुकार लो जहाँ हो तुम, प्यार से पुकार लो जहाँ हो तुम,
याद किया दिल ने कहाँ हो तुम, झूमती बहार है कहाँ हो तुम,
प्यार से पुकार लो जहाँ हो तुम, प्यार से पुकार लो जहाँ हो तुम।
Thank you.
Wow, I think we got all the songs in. We were thinking कि शायद नहीं होंगे, but आप सब सारे गाने and आपके selection बहुत कमाल की है. Everybody's writing that favorite songs. हमारे ये everybody's saying that all the songs that they like, and everybody's
Thank you, everyone.
praising
Thank you.
that. And very good singing. आपकी coordination बहुत अच्छी थी. And how long did it take you to decide कि गाने गाने हैं? Both of you decided within the last 1 week, or how long you decided?
I mean, we knew that we were going to sing today a month back, but we
Right.
were traveling and all that. So it was in last 2 weeks that we decided which the song selection and all that was in last 2 weeks. And then we made sure that, I mean, we wanted to cover all the um, uh, major singers of that era. So
Yeah.
we tried to cover all the famous ones.
Yeah. Yeah, I can see that. They're all different singers. Yep. And actors were acting wale bhi different hai. Vajanti Mala, Madhu Bala, Wahida Rahman. So many different Usha Kiran.
Suraya.
Gaane wale bhi different hai. Yeah, so that's a very, you're right, all different types and singing. And so aapki kaun si, Vishwas ji, who's your favorite singer from the male? Man male.
Among males, I mean, I like Muhammad Rafi a lot. Hemant Kumar is good. I like Kishore Kumar. I just like any and all of them really. But probably Muhammad Rafi, if I had to pick one, would be my favorite. Yeah.
And the same thing for you, Manjari ji, aapko kaun pasand hai?
You know, it really depends on the mood of the song, and different skills are needed for different types of songs. And sometimes it happens to me that when I listen to a song, I feel like this was the right person chosen for this song, and I don't want to hear anyone else, even if I sing that song. So everyone had their own skill. So it's very hard to say who I like the most. But I mean, Lata ji, Asha ji, Suman Kalyanpurkar ji.
आपने सबको कवर किया है. आपने देखो शमशाद बेगम को भी कवर किया हुआ है. आपने आशा भोसले को, लता मंगेशकर को, and I think Suraya also.
Yes, yeah.
Suraya also you covered.
Geeta Dutt in Khayalon mein, it was Geeta Dutt ji.
Yeah,
So,
Geeta Dutt also.
yeah.
So you covered, I think, quite a few, 4 or 5 different singers.
And so when I was selecting the songs, the first criteria was that I can do little bit justice to it. So don't just want to take a song because it is really nice, because the songs are nice, but we should be able to do at least fair justice to it. But then the next thing was make sure that we cover all the singers from that era.
Yeah, when it comes to duets, the other challenge is we sing in different pitches. So it is hard to come up with a song where we can both sing. We obviously like our marriage. We have to make a compromise, and she has to come a little higher than she normally would, and I have to go a little lower than I normally would.
Yeah.
Actually, I do most of the compromising. Like our marriage. I do most of it.
Like a good husband.
Yeah.
And in this case, I don't know about other cases, but in this case, surely he has to compromise, because Lata ji, Asha ji, they sang in a very unusual high pitches, and most women naturally cannot sing at that pitch. So I make him come down, because that case is not there for men. All the men naturally sing at Kishore Kumar and Muhammad Rafi ji's pitch. It doesn't work with women, so I have to bring him down a little bit. So then, since he compromises here, in marriage, I compromise all the time.
But I see that most very good singers, they have the ladies who have Marathi and sub, right? Are they Marathi or this Asha Bhosle and all that? Where are
Yeah,
they?
Asha Bhosle, Lata Mangeshkar, Suman Kalyanpur, all of them are Marathi singers. Yes.
And I think Bengali men, a lot of Bengali guys are singing, right? Singers, quite a few. Like Kishore Kumar is Bengali, Hemant Kumar.
Yes.
The most singers, quite a Bengali, we both are.
Yeah.
This is my general knowledge. Muhammad Rafi, I think, was a Punjabi. I think so.
I think so.
Yeah, he was a Punjabi. But mostly Kishore Kumar, uska bhai bhi, both the whole family is acting and singing. They're very much into this kind of art, I think. Bengalis. Marathis
Geeta
also.
Dutt was Bengali. So,
Yeah, Gita Dutt was Bengali. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think Bengalis and Marathis are very much into poetry, singing, and this
Yes.
kind of thing. They love it. So that's why India. I mean, nowadays, see, Indian Idol and all that. They're all different type of people. Everybody's different. So
yes.
all new people are coming up. New singers are coming up. So they
And they are singing beautifully.
beautifully.
They put a
From-
lot
from
of
different-
effort.
From different regions, from different
Yeah.
backgrounds, different conditions, they're all coming up. So, which is great to see.
Which is great. But that time, long time, the 50s, whatever, 50s, 40s, 50s, Lata Mangeshkar had the majority. She won't let anybody go up.
Yeah.
Even her own sister, she won't let her go up. She was taking everybody.
She was so good that the music director wanted her. So
I know, and I also feel that Suman Kalyanpur was as good, but she didn't get the chance. Sometimes people get confused. Kaun ga raha hai? Is it Lata or is it Suman Kalyanpur? It's so similar.
Right.
Even I get confused. Then I have to check upon her. So she didn't get a chance to move up, otherwise she was as good. So
Yes.
that's how it is. So I'm looking forward to the next episode आपके साथ करने के लिए.
Sure.
And we
Sure.
want to see you again. And I think it was a lovely, lovely program, and everybody really enjoyed. And आप जाके comments भी देख सकते हो. You go back to my page, and you see a lot of people are here. Tanuja ji is here, and quite a few other friends are here. Your Neelima, so your friends are here. And Ashok ji, I forgot about him. Ashok Goyal, I think he's from Michigan, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, he comes to our program all the time. Thank you so much, Ashok ji. Vibha ji bhi thi abhi. Vibha ji is watching from her lunch break, but she also came. So
Oh.
Shelly ji, everybody, a lot of people are here. So I want to thank you once again. And Shelly ji, I want to thank you again for introducing me to a lovely couple. I really enjoyed the music, and आपके साथ deal करने के लिए, बात करने के लिए बड़ा मजा आया. I really enjoyed.
We would like to thank Shelly ji for introducing us
Yes,
and
Shelly ji and
recommending
Chaman
us.
ji, they,
Yeah.
they're good friends of ours. And,
Yes.
Oh, that's good.
and often sing karaoke together as well. So,
Oh, very good. That's
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
So Chamanji also sings?
he doesn't sing. He's there to appreciate us. And
Oh,
if
Minnesota, sorry.
he flatters me and makes me feel good and encourages me to sing. So
Okay, that's good.
sometimes undeservingly, but at least.
No, but that's good. That's what friends do. So, sorry, Ashok ji, I'm sorry, made a mistake. Michigan नहीं है, Minnesota के हैं. Okay, I got confused. M, Minnesota, Michigan, New York वाले को ना sometimes make a mistake from New Yorkers. But anyway, I want to call you also one time. Apindra Gupta ji bhi aaye the. He's also a very good singer. Ashok ji is a very good singer. So a lot of good singers we have. Shelly ji and everybody over here. Vibha ji is a very good singer. Rama ji bhi very good singer. So we have
Okay.
a lot of singers. Singers like to hear other singers singing. They enjoy. That's how
Yes.
it is. Should be like that. We have to
we will-
encourage each other.
We will
You
look
know?
forward to joining your next programs.
Yes,
So,
please do.
listen
I love it. Yeah.
Yes.
And we look forward to the next. I'll tell Shalini ji, or I can get hold of you directly, and we'll arrange something. So thank you so much for coming. Have a lovely day.
Thank you.
Thank you,
And,
everybody. Have a good day and good evening or wherever you are.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, in India, then it's a good evening. So thank you so
Yes.
much. Rekha ji was
Thank
here.
you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, everybody. If I missed someone, by mistake, but I want to thank everyone who's here. Thank you so much for joining. Keep on coming because we have programs Wednesdays and Fridays every week.
Okay.
Next, I'm going to be going away. So there are going to be reruns. Previous programs will be running. So you can hear the previous programs that we had. I'll be back in 2 weeks. So I'll get in touch with you later on after when I come back, and then we can arrange something. So have a wonderful day, everyone. Thank you so much, Manjari ji and Vishwas ji, again for joining.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Bye, everyone. एक second.